guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna keep the intro nice and short. Today I'm gonna be filming a little self-care day vlog. I'm having myself a little self-care day today. Don't work. And yeah, started off with a nice little walk in the morning to get my body moving. Felt good. I also started off with water, and now we're doing some baking some cupcakes. Yeah, need some time to cool off. Okay, so we messed up. We made muffins. We made them too, like we filled them up too much.
Go down a little bit.
I doubt it, but they still look good. So I already had 2 cupcakes and my coffee, and that was like my breakfast. And next thing I want to do is clean up, just because it's gonna feel good to like clean up everything. Kitchen is clean. Next thing I have to clean is my room, and thankfully this is all pretty much clean. I made the bed this morning, but I was just laying down for a little bit. But I'm gonna do that. I need to wash clothes, I need to wash this, and I also need to clean all of my makeup brushes. I use this right now as like my makeup section. I just sit down and do my makeup, so I'm gonna clean those. And then that's all my school stuff I need to organize, and to make sure I have everything organized. And I'm still looking at my hair. So cute. So I took a well-needed nap because I did fall asleep pretty late last night. Even though I woke up early to like walk and stuff, I'm still pretty tired. I was pretty tired. I'm good now though. So I'm gonna change into like, actually I think I'm just gonna leave this on, and then I'm gonna make a little iced coffee for energy and go downstairs and have a little booty workout. Since I really kind of did my cardio this morning by just walking, I want to do an iced coffee. I started doing iced coffee as a pre-workout instead of regular pre-workout, because regular pre-workout is a little bit too much for me. And yeah, and also my throat hurts so bad, I'm getting sick, which sucks. But the self-care, that means the self-care day is needed even more. I'll have like a nice stroke. My throat hurts, so I'll have a nice little tea tonight for like my sore throat. Let's go make my iced coffee. It's currently 3:14. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's probably time for me to get something to eat. And I think I'm gonna have some cauliflower gnocchi. It's my first time ever trying some yesterday, and I made some and I only ate half of it, and it was so good, so I might have to do that again. So this is the gnocchi. I had half of it yesterday. Yeah. This butter, and it's melting. Made this cauliflower gnocchi. It's so good. Alright, so my hair looks so cute, I know, but JK. I finished my little lunch, and it was so good. Let me show you guys my Instagram post. I actually made one. I've been really into Instagram stories and trying to upload more often, cute stuff, and I uploaded this, and I think it's so cute. I made this template so cute. So basically I showed what I ate. I thought the template was super good. So if you guys are interested in following me, This is my Instagram. It's Simply Glitz, same as my YouTube channel, or Jelitza. I'm gonna go ahead and make a iced coffee now that I'm good to go. It's 4:37, and I'm gonna make it. And then once I drink it, I'll work out at 5 o'clock from 5 until like 6. A little bit me. Good thing I brought my metal straw. Workout time. I did a little bit of a warm-up downstairs on the bike. There's the bike. I did a little warm-up. That's why I'm out of breath. And I'm doing a video right now. I have my setup right there. And then I'm using these weights and these bands. And I have music going on. Alright guys, did the workout and I killed it. It feels so good. I actually ended up doing abs in the end. So I'm just going to be doing planks because my core is so weak. Meaning I'm going to shower, do a face mask, really take care of my nails. I'll show you guys what I do. I'm also going to end the night with like cleaning my brushes. I didn't end up doing that. I need to clean my makeup brushes. And I'm going to make myself the tea for sore throats. I'll show you guys which one I'm talking about. Because I'm going to be FaceTiming in 30 minutes. Well, Zooming, whatever it is. My throat hurts so much and I'm going to be talking. So I really want to like soothe that. So my mom told me that what helps is with the tea, I have to melt 2 hulls. I guess hulls are good for sore throats. Like the cough drops. Melt those into the tea and add lemon. And it's supposed to really help me. So I'm going to do that because this throat hurts too much. Tea time. This is the tea that I will be using. Throat Shield supports throat hydration and immune system. I'm going to use 2 of these. Okay, I'm going to let this soak in there. So I'm going to take one of these. I already took one. I have 3 left. So this has, what does it have? Ginger, turmeric, that word, I don't know how to say those. So this is supposed to be an immunity defense shot. And I got these at Kroger. I'm nervous because I've took one before and they are very spicy. They have a lot of spice to it. Oh, spicy. Whew, done. They better cure me. I'm gonna give one to my mom, see if she wants to take it right now. I just took one. You have to take one. It stings in the end, right? You're like, so I just. Okay, so I've never done this before, but I'm gonna start putting these in there. I don't know if they're gonna melt, but supposedly they melt in there. And I dropped one. I'm gonna do tea. Alright guys, so it's time to shower, and I'm going to shower and then I'm going to do a face mask. Let me show you guys. This is the body wash that I use. It's a Nivea Cream Soft Body Wash. And then I'm not going to wash my hair today just because it's pretty clean. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to wash my body. And then I'm going to apply this rejuvenating clay mask. I'm going to put that right after I shower because I'm trying to clear this bad boy. And then after that, I'm going to start washing my brushes. Let me show you guys. So these are my brushes, and this is what I'm going to clean them with. They are the Cosmetic Brush Cleaning Mat, and I have a specific soap that I need to use. Just because they're so dirty, I have not cleaned them in such a long time. I showered, put my hair back in a little ponytail, put on some comfy pajamas, and now it's face mask time. There you go. Hope you guys don't fall because you're balancing on a mouthwash. This I'm supposed to leave on for 7 to 10 minutes. So after I apply this, I'm going to do my skincare, like wash my face, put on toner, all that fun stuff. But this is going to help really start off the week strong, since today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday. Hey Siri, put a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
Guys, this is counting down. I'm going to try and clean all my brushes within this next 10 minutes. So, this is how it looks. It's like a little silicone thing, and I'm going to go get the wash. I put this bandana thing on just because it kept getting in my face, so hopefully that kind of helps it. That looks so stupid, but hopefully that kind of helps it. I'm literally just going to use this soap right here and pour it on this thing. Fill it up with water. And I'm going to just grab a brush and just start. Let me show you guys what I'm going to do. And then I'm just going to start scrubbing it on there with 2 hands. It's moving around, but I'm going to just keep doing this. So I cleaned the bathroom, which you guys can see. And my brushes are all here just drying. Hopefully they'll be dry by tomorrow evening. And now I have to take off this. I'm doing this color. Nice little bright color. It doesn't look really bright.